Hello everyone, it's Papa Guac here, and I'm doing a show today, or a brief special on black beans. This right here is a black bean, a black bean stalk. I mean, this thing is like 7 feet tall. Well, he's in a container that's about a foot and a half, so I don't know, he's like about 5 feet tall. But this is a black bean plant. Right there. It is an absolutely spectacular specimen. I am doing companion planting. I have him there with my dragon fruit. You can see there's a dragon fruit branch. Beans are a good companion plant due to the fact that they add nitrogen to the soil. So that's what's going on there. So here's my black bean plant. Just really in good shape, this one. I have another one right over there, and Bob the Builder's up there guarding them. Bob the Builder is my scarecrow. Keep him around to keep the squirrels away from the vegetables. He's not doing a good job though, but yeah, nowhere else to put him, so might as well leave him up there. I'm gonna go to another section of black beans that I have. So give me just a moment and I'll pop up over there. So here I am in my next section. I got a more companion planting going on, but as you can see, these black beans look absolutely pitiful. They have outran their life course. They produced their little beans, and I have another pot next to them, and it's in the same condition. Right here, this, I'm gonna go ahead and, wow, it took the whole plant out. So I broke it off. I'll come back and repair the plant itself later on, but anyway, I broke off the pod, and so here we go. I'm going to pop us up somewhere else real quick. Give me just a moment. So here I am at my work table. You can see I got a box of beans that I've already picked. I'm about to go over there to the garden and pick some more. But I just kind of squeeze it and break it open, and the little black beans, they just pop right out. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each pod, it seems, contains 5 beans. Alright, and here's my container that I'm going to start storing beans in. And that looks pretty pitiful to me. That looks pretty pitiful. It's a lot of beans that's got to be collected to fill up a small bag that you buy at the grocery store. So to me, that just tells me that people that are in the business of supplying black beans to us at the grocery stores, they got a heck of a job to do. They got to grow these things, and then once they're grown, they got to go and shuck all these things, and each one of them, figuring you're holding only about 5 beans in it. So that means that it just seems so labor intense, and they don't charge a lot of money for it at the store to buy a bag of beans. But the process, the labor behind it all, it's just got to be insane on so many levels. So I'm making this video to say thank you to the people that are in the bean production business. The growers, the people that are out in the field taking care of the plants, and then taking the beans off the plants, and then taking the beans out of their shells, the packaging, the whole deal. I love black beans, but it looks like a really hard job, and I think that we all take these folks for granted. And so right now, I want to say thank you to all the people that are in the black bean production business. And I appreciate you. I hope I think everybody appreciates you, but we take you all for granted. But thank you for the work that you do. Thank you for the crops that you grow. Thank you for what you supply to us to eat. Without you, we wouldn't have black beans. Um, anyway, here's to you, and thank you again for the wonderful and hard work that you do in order to feed the people across the planet black beans. So have a great day, and this is Papa Guac, and if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the share button, all that good happy stuff. Like, share, notify. But thank you. I really, really, truly mean thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for the work that you do in order to supply the people of the world the black beans that you're producing. So, thanks, guys. Thank you very much. This is Papa Guac, and I'll be seeing you around. Bye now.